Here we have a 2017 67 plates BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb unscratched unmarked 20-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers just hiding behind. Now we do have your LED headlights, the black Kindergirls, full M Sport styling kit, so you get the black front splitter and also a rear boot spot and rear diffuser. We have the blacked out styling continuing from the paintwork. You have the black window trim and your privacy glass on the rear. We have your front and rear parking sensor with a rear reversing camera, dual exhaust flush, the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser. You have the blacked out 335D and XDRIVE badging on the rear, and you do have these cool aftermarket lights. They do look very, very cool indeed, as you can see just there. Stepping back, you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Go to the rear, I'll show you a bit of the interior. Now I need to just add, these wheels are in superb unscratched unmarked condition and are all wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tyres. You have your full Dakota leather seats throughout this vehicle, pull down armrests, ISOFIX points, you have your vents in the centre, integrated Harman Kardon speakers, your piano black trim, electric windows. Going to the front, there's a look at the driver's front seat. Now both driver and passenger are heated, have the extended 5-spot and a very, very comfortable seats indeed. You have your electric windows, electric power folding mirrors, integrated Harman Kardon. Jumping inside, auto lights just down there. As you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard and has covered just over 58,050 miles. We have your heads-up display up there, screen in the centre. Ignore the shake of the screen, that is just the rolling shutter on the phone, has nothing to do with the vehicle itself. You have your satellite navigation. We have your media connectivity via DAB, you have your Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, Bluetooth phone connectivity. Pop the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing camera, your front and rear parking sensors. Dual zone climate control, ice cold aircon, 2 heated front seats just there. Storage tray, USB, pops open, 2 nice size cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, different drive modes where you have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sports and Sports Plus, track control on and off, parking sensor, piano black trim. This is what you use to control everything happens on the screen just up there. Soft touch leather arm which just moves forwards and back to suit your driving position, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. HBI Clear comes with a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.